In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send Dogecoin from Bybit to Binance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly transport any amount of Dogecoin that you have on your Bybit account to your Binance account. So to start, get your Binance Dogecoin deposit address, log into your Binance account either on the website or the mobile app, go over to the wallet section, and among the list of cryptocurrencies, choose Dogecoin or simply Doge. Now click on deposit and you will be provided with the deposit address referring to Binance. Now copy this Dogecoin deposit address and go inside of your Bybit account. Go to the wallet section, find Dogecoin in your asset list, select it, and instead of going over to deposit, choose the withdrawal option. Now you will be able to paste the Binance Dogecoin deposit address that you copied in the first step. As soon as you paste the deposit address, you will be able to enter the amount of Dogecoin that you want to withdraw from Bybit and make sure to double check the address and the amount. You can consider sending a small amount first, seeing if it arrives, and if it does, then everything is good to go and you can send the remainder. Once you confirm the withdrawal, be aware of any included network fees. They are going to depend on the network congestion, so they can be higher or lower accordingly, and cryptocurrency transactions can take some time to confirm. Always double check the address and the amount, and once you confirm, you just have to wait. Both Bybit and Binance will have specific withdrawal limits and verification requirements, and I'm going to assume that you are meeting both of those restrictions. And as long as you are qualified to make this withdrawal, you will be able to receive any amount of Dogecoin on your Binance wallet sending from Bybit. I hope I was able to help you on how to send Dogecoin from Bybit to Binance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.